Hey, what's up? This is Panky Lanuza. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show to you how I cook my steak seasoned in Himalayan Pink Salt cooking block. Now, what is this Himalayan Pink Salt that I'm talking about? Before I answer that question, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and click the bell icon for you to receive notifications. Now, this Himalayan Pink Salt Block was given by my friend Dr. Ryan Rojas. Follow him guys on Instagram. Thank you for this, buddy. I was kind of excited when I had this pink salt block because I love seasonings. This block is imported from Spain, but I guess Himalayan Pink Salt Block is being mined in Nepal, where it is abundant in that country. There are a lot of ways in which you can enjoy this stuff, not only on your steaks, but also on sushis, grilled meat and vegetables, fish, and also I tried it on pork bellies. You can enjoy using it whether it's hot or cold, and it's easy to clean up after use. Just wipe it off with a clean cloth and you're good to go. This block is really heavy for its size. I think it weighs around 4 to 5 kilograms, and this will last for at least 3 years or more depending on your usage. Now let me show you how I cooked my steak seasoned with this pink block. So I have here a pretty good Angus sirloin steak with a nice and beautiful marbling of fats and meat. Make sure to thaw the steak and remove the extra moisture using your kitchen paper towel. Season heavily both sides with pepper. Now it is important to highly season the steak because 40% of the seasoning goes out when you cook the meat. Sprinkle your steak with garlic powder. Garlic powder enhances the natural meat flavor of the steak. After seasoning it with garlic and pepper, transfer the steak to the Himalayan Pink Salt Block. Now bear in mind that the pink block is very much sensitive to wet surfaces. Once the meat touches the block, it absorbs the salt rapidly. So you don't want your steak to settle on the block for a while. 2 minutes is enough for both sides of steak, or else you're gonna end up a cured meat with a very salty taste. Cooking part will only take you around 10 minutes of your time. Heat up the pan, throw in some olive oil. Make sure that the oil covers the entire surface of the pan. Each side of the steak will take 5 minutes to cook if you are aiming for a medium doneness. My personal preference of doneness is medium. While waiting for the 5 minutes, smash some garlic. This will add additional garlicky flavor to our steak. After 5 minutes, flip over the steak to cook the other side. Throw in some generous amount of butter and throw in the smashed garlic. Make sure that the butter goes under the steak before you start basting it. Now let's start basting the steak using a spoon. Basting is a method used in cooking a steak. It adds moisture, flavor, and also avoids the steak from drying up. Let the steak rest in for at least 5 minutes before serving it. Resting is very important to make your steak juicier and tastier. Now that's all for now, guys. I hope you learned a new way in seasoning your steak in a non-traditional way. I guarantee you that it tastes a lot different than the traditional one. I hope to see you again on my next video.